Umbraco Award for Best Gold Partner Solution. In this category, Best Gold Partner Solution, we're looking for the Best Gold Partner Solution of 2020. Umbraco Gold Partners are where the most skilled and highly trained Umbraco developers and web designers are usually employed, and we expect to see great things from all of them. And the nominees are Novicell, with the site for the Copenhagen Metro. In September 2019, Cityringen M3, a new metro line in Copenhagen, opened for passengers after 8 years of construction work. The old website was cumbersome to edit and use, and therefore, Novicell was looking for a solution that was faster and easier to maintain and update for their editors. After the opening of M3, Novicell became the operator of one of the most important pieces of infrastructure in the Danish capital. This generated a need for a new scalable digital communication platform that could support Novicell through the different stages of the process. For example, leading up to the final stages in the opening of M3, Novicell needed to keep neighbors and travelers informed about the construction work, noise, etc. Novicell became the partner for the entire process, design, front-end, and back-end of the Umbraco solution that is now live on m.dk. Intracto, with the site for Supporter van Schoon. The Netherlands Schoon Foundation has been developing activities to prevent litter since 1991. Intracto has made a platform for the foundation to inform, motivate, and activate municipalities, residents, schools, companies, and sports associations to take action together for an environment without litter. The purpose of the platform is to increase engagement, provide insight into nearby cleanup activities, and provide action perspective. Intracto developed the complete platform and integrated CRM email marketing program. Perplex Digital, with the international platform Athlon. Athlon is a leasing company which services 400,000 vehicles worldwide. The cooperation between Athlon and Perplex started when they developed the 2018 International Fleet Industry Award-winning project, Change My Car. After this achievement, Athlon challenged Perplex to come up with an alternative way of working for their international team of digital marketers, 50 people working in 24 countries. Each country had its own Sitecore installation, but they got stuck using the current Sitecore system and they were not enjoying their digital life. Athlon's mission states, Athlon, getting you there. They wanted to translate this mission to their own employees, getting you, as an Athlon employee, there. Moreover, they needed a platform that would inherit and secure their digital brand guidelines without losing CMS flexibility.